If you've gotten a PowerPoint presentation that you would like to record, it is very simple to do so. Just go to Slideshow, record slideshow, record from beginning, and it'll open up this window. In here, you can go between slides as you would normally do by clicking the button or by pressing the page up, page down buttons. You have tools where you can highlight, you can draw, and with the eraser tool you can erase that. You can toggle your microphone on and off, you can toggle your camera or webcam on and off, and you can toggle the preview of the webcam on and off. You can have your notes up here, and you record by just hitting record. It'll count down from 3, and you can start speaking. You can talk about anything that you would like to talk about. You can just click next. You can talk again, and then when you're done, you click stop. It'll take a moment, and then you just close it. To export it, you go to File, Export, Create a Video. You can choose your quality. You normally use Full HD or HD. And then you just click Create Video. You'll save it somewhere. Hit save.